I have a new power trailer jack to install in the Smart Woodshop. Hi, I'm Ron Paulk, and this is the Smart Woodshop. Trailer Valet sent me this tongue jack that is powered, only like their Trailer Valet that I use to move my trailer, which is powered by a drill. This one is also powered by a drill. I've never thought about having a powered tongue jack. The cranks tend to work fine. I do have a friend with a really nice car trailer, all aluminum built, really beautiful trailer. And he has a built-in power tongue jack, and it is kind of nice. He's got cars in there, so it probably can be kind of heavier. And I've helped him unhook it and hook it up a couple of times, and it's nice pushing the button. But never to the point that it's worth me investing the kind of money that it would take to have a dedicated motorized jack for my trailer. The tongues just aren't heavy enough to override the free part of me just cranking it with my arm. But when Trailer Valet came out with this, they contacted me and said that they'd like to send me one to try out. And being that the motor is a motor that I already own and that I use for other things, it might be a good option because they aren't that expensive. So today I'm going to unbox this, check out and see what it is, and then install it on the Smart Woodshop. And I'll need to pull the Smart Woodshop out a ways to be able to get the cameras in there so you can see me installing it. And so at the same time, you'll get to see another Trailer Valet product that I've reviewed before and that I love. In fact, the only reason my trailer can be in where it is because of my Trailer Valet that I have that moves it in. I don't care how good you are at driving a pickup, there's no place for the pickup to go. So this has allowed me to use a much smaller space and have my trailer oriented in a way that is very feasible for doing my Smart Woodshop in this small space. So let's unbox it and see what this is. They make this in two versions, and they asked me which one I wanted. One was the center mount that mounts, right in the center of the tongue, which is what I have. And so that's the one I told them to send me. The other one, they have bolts on the side and pivots. And in retrospect, I wished I would have ordered that one because that would make more sense, because it'd be easy just to bolt on the side, and then all you have to do is jack it up a little bit, and then you can flip it and spin it up. It comes with a removable crank handle, which is exactly the way my current tongue jack is set up. And then they have their tool that chucks into any drill, which will slip on where the handle goes and drive it up. This is a really nice looking jack. You can tell by the finish and the looks of the materials that it's a high quality piece. One of the things I noticed first off, much nicer foot on this than on the stock one that comes, and that one is bolted on, and this one they have a pin for removing it. Super easy to install. It didn't come with the bolts, but they would be on the trailer that you already have anyway. And now that I've used it once to see how quick it goes up and down, I don't really need it to flip up or to retract with a pin. So I like that. That's going to speed things up a bit, and I don't need to keep it charged or have it plugged in. Just have to grab a drill. If you've thought about adding a power tongue lift to your trailer, this might be a really good option and not having to go with wiring it up and spending a lot more for the motor using a motor that you already have. If you like these tool reviews, be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and remember, when you subscribe, ring that little bell so you'll know when I drop a new video. Thanks for dropping into the Smart Woodshop. Stay safe and have a great day.